Hello everyone, and welcome to Chill and Fun English Learning. I'm so happy to have you here today. If you're looking to improve your English listening skills and speak more fluently, especially if you're at a beginner or intermediate level, then today's video is very important for you. In today's video, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to practice listening to slow, clear English. This is a fantastic way to train your ear, to recognize individual words, understand pronunciation, and ultimately help you speak more smoothly and confidently. We'll go through a short story together. I will read it slowly and clearly, and then we'll do a few exercises to help you understand and practice what you've heard. Don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time. That's perfectly normal. The key is to relax, listen actively, and enjoy the process. Today, I'm going to share 3 super effective methods to help you handle this situation with ease, so you can understand more and speak more fluently. These methods are simple and easy to understand, and anyone can start using them right away. Ready? Let's begin today's practice. Part 1. Short, slow. Listening. Practice. Mary's morning. First, please relax and listen carefully as I read this short story. I will read it very slowly and clearly. Don't worry about understanding every single word. Just try to get the general idea. Story: Mary's morning. Mary woke up early. The sun was shining brightly. She stretched her arms and smiled. She got out of bed and went to the kitchen. On the counter, there was a fresh orange. Mary peeled the orange and ate it. It was sweet and juicy. After breakfast, she put on her running shoes. She went outside and started to run in the park. The air was cool and fresh. She felt very happy. After her run, she came home. She took a shower and put on her favorite dress. She was ready for a new day. Part 2. Method 1. Sentence by sentence. Slow listening. All right, the story is over. Now we'll use the first method, sentence by sentence slow listening. This method helps us train our ears to get used to the pronunciation and rhythm of each word. I will play the story again, but this time I will break it down sentence by sentence and pause. Mary woke up early. The sun was shining brightly. She stretched her arms and smiled. She got out of bed and went to the kitchen. On the counter, there was a fresh orange. Mary peeled the orange and ate it. It was sweet and juicy. After breakfast, she put on her running shoes. She went outside and started to run in the park. The air was cool and fresh. She felt very happy. After her run, she came home. She took a shower and put on her favorite dress. She was ready for a new day. You can repeat this exercise multiple times. Once you feel comfortable with the listening, you can move on to the next section. Method 2. Shadowing practice. Next, let's work on your speaking fluency. This method is called shadowing. The principle is very simple. Follow my voice and repeat what I say, word for word. Like a shadow, you'll imitate my pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. I'll read the story again, but this time, I want you to say it along with me. It's okay if you can't keep up at first. With more practice, you'll find that your pronunciation and fluency will improve significantly. Get ready. Let's begin. Mary woke up early. The sun was shining brightly. She stretched her arms and smiled. She got out of bed and went to the kitchen. On the counter, there was a fresh orange. Mary peeled the orange and ate it. It was sweet and juicy. After breakfast, she put on her running shoes. She went outside and started to run in the park. The air was cool and fresh. She felt very happy. After her run, she came home. She took a shower and put on her favorite dress. She was ready for a new day. Shadowing is a fantastic way to improve your speaking fluency. You can do this exercise with any English audio you like, such as podcasts, audiobooks, or movie dialogues. Method 3. Contextual practice. The last method is to make the sentences from the story your own. This helps you truly internalize the language you've learned. I will take some sentences and phrases from the story and ask you some questions. You can try to answer using these phrases. Woke up early. I ask you, what time did you wake up this morning? You can answer, I woke up early today. The sun was shining. I ask you, what was the weather like this morning? You can answer, the sun was shining. Put on running shoes. I ask you, what did you do to exercise? You can answer, I put on my running shoes and went to the park. Ready for a new day. I ask you, how do you feel after your morning routine? You can answer, I feel ready for a new day. In this way, you can apply the words and phrases you've learned to your own life, making English more practical. All right? Those are the 3 methods I shared today. Sentence by sentence, slow listening, shadowing practice, and contextual practice. Remember, learning a language is a gradual process. As long as you practice a little bit every day, your listening and speaking skills will definitely get better and better. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new learning content. Let me know in the comments below which of these 3 methods you like the most. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.